And welcome back, everybody. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, whatever time it might be. Welcome back to the garage. It's been a while. We got the scooter project done, but today we got an extra special project of making sure it stays great. That's right. We're going to try out a couple things that were recommended by the viewers so I can keep this thing nice and protected as I move on with other projects. We can't stay on the GY6 forever. There's only so much things you can do. We'll continue working on it. But I got some new projects right in the works that's been hidden from view. So today I'm going to check out two products. First one is going to be Aero Cosmetics. This is going to be for the tires. This is going to make sure they stay moisturized, because that's right, moisturize your tires. And it's going to make sure there's going to be no dry rot, because when they sit around, they stay dry, they start to rot, and they get cracked up. So that hopefully will fix that problem. The second one is going to be the plastics. And recommended by viewers is going to be 303 interior cleaner. This is UV protectant. It's going to keep it clean, it's going to keep it beautiful, and keep a centerpiece in my garage as I move on with new products throughout these weeks. So let's get to it. I'm going to answer a couple questions while I go through these products, because you guys have been asking me a lot, and let's see how these work out. So instructions for this Aero Rubber Care is very simple. First, you need to clean and let your tires dry. Spray it down, let it soak for 10 minutes, and then wipe it with a damp cloth. That seems pretty easy. Something even I can do. So I got the sponge here to actually apply it, and I'm going to get it going. Start getting this on the tire and go all the way around. Might even just put it on the sponge. This may be easier. Thought I got it pretty clean, but there's still a little bit of dirt on it, but we'll see how it looks. So while I'm doing this, I was asked, will I be continuing with the GY6? And yes, I will be continuing with the GY6 project. Always will have the scooter around. But it's time for new things. I mean, I worked on this for what, 5 years now, 6 years? We've been in the channel. So I want to go on to other and bigger things and try other stuff. So that's why I'm going to do this today, to make sure my tires are nice and moisturized and they don't rot away. And on the occasional time I do want to take the scooter out, it's ready and able to. Now for this 303 plastic vinyl interior cleaner, it's going to be the same process. All I'm going to do is have it clean. I'm going to spray it onto the surface nice and liberally, because I'll be using it all around. And then just wipe with the microfiber brush or a microfiber towel. Get around all these surfaces. And that should be making my plastic look just absolutely amazing, and protect it from UV light and just from the dry storage. So you can absolutely tell. I'll do half of this part right here. And if you look down at the plastic, there is 100% noticeable difference between here and here. Or even if you look over at this end right over here, you can see it's all white and dry. Come over here, it's going to be nice and clean and actually moisturized, and just looks amazing. So I'm 100% happy with this product. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the plastics wiped down and check out the after results. And there we go. This scooter looks great. Thank you very much for the suggestions. The Aero Rubber Care make the tires look absolutely amazing. The 303 interior detailer, man, makes it look great. Man, 100%, 100%. I am surprised, shocked, and amazed how well it looks. So thank you very much for those suggestions. I appreciate them. And if you have any other questions, suggestions of what I should do with this GY6, the side project, let me know. I've asked you that numerous times. I've had suggestions, and I've done them for you guys. So with that, as always, I mean it straight from the heart. Ride safe, drive safe, and please, keep at least 2 wheels on the road.